Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the larger-than-life story of one of America's most dynamic presidents, Theodore Roosevelt. You might know him from Mount Rushmore, but the man was so much more than a stone carving. He was a force of nature, and his life was packed with incredible stories. So, buckle up as we explore some fascinating facts about Teddy Roosevelt. First off, did you know that this icon of rugged masculinity was a frail, asthmatic child? Doctors warned him to live a sedentary life, but young Teddy had other plans. He famously told his father, "I will make my body." And he did just that. He took up boxing, weightlifting, and hiking, transforming himself from a sickly boy into the robust adventurer we remember. This incredible self-discipline and determination defined his entire life. It's a powerful reminder that our beginnings don't have to dictate our endings. Roosevelt was also a true intellectual. He was a voracious reader, sometimes devouring a book a day, and he wrote about 40 books of his own on subjects ranging from history and biography to nature and hunting. He graduated from Harvard and was even the first U.S. president to earn a Nobel Peace Prize, which he received in 1906 for helping to negotiate an end to the Russo-Japanese War. He was the perfect blend of a scholar and a man of action. Now, let's talk about his legendary toughness. In 1912, while campaigning for a third term, an assassin shot him in the chest. The bullet was slowed by his steel eyeglass case and a thick 50-page speech manuscript folded in his pocket. With a bullet lodged in his chest, what did Roosevelt do? He insisted on delivering his 90-minute speech before seeking medical attention, opening with the line, "It takes more than that to kill a bull moose." That's a level of grit that's almost hard to believe. Beyond his personal strength, Roosevelt had a deep love for the natural world. He was a pioneering conservationist who understood that America's wild spaces were a precious resource. During his presidency, he established 150 national forests, 51 federal bird reserves, 4 national game preserves, 5 national parks, and 18 national monuments. He protected approximately 230 million acres of public land. Every time you visit a national park, you have Teddy Roosevelt to thank for his incredible foresight. And here is a fun one. Where do you think the teddy bear came from? The story goes that on a hunting trip, Roosevelt refused to shoot a bear cub that his guides had tied to a tree, deeming it unsportsmanlike. A political cartoonist illustrated the event, and a Brooklyn toy maker was inspired. He created a stuffed bear, and after getting the president's permission to use his nickname, the teddy bear was born and became an instant classic. From a sickly child to a war hero, a Nobel laureate, a conservationist, and the inspiration for a beloved toy, Theodore Roosevelt truly lived what he called the strenuous life. His energy and vision left an indelible mark on the United States and the world. His legacy is a testament to the power of resilience, curiosity, and a deep-seated desire to do good. What a life, right? Which of these facts surprised you the most? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this journey into the past, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next deep dive into history. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.